The internet has opened up many opportunities for everyone around the world to make money online. Unfortunately, most of the Ugandans are not using these opportunities to make money online. Now, in today's video, I've come to share with you some websites that are going to pay you money just by doing some simple tasks. These websites are totally free. You don't need to invest in any single coin, guys. They are free of charge. You are going to register on these websites and start earning money just by doing some simple tasks. Now, as we get started, don't forget to hit that like button down below for me so that this video reach out to everyone who needs this information. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. The first website is called Shutterstock. Shutterstock is going to buy your photos and videos. Just uploading your photos and videos on this website, they are going to pay you some good amount of money, guys. Now guys, if you are interested in making money online just by selling photos and videos, go in the description. I've provided the link. It will take you on Shutterstock and register yourself an account for Shutterstock. After, provide your payment details. After, start uploading photos and videos on Shutterstock for cash. It's very easy, guys, and simple. Imagine you have found a nice building, take a pic of it, upload it on Shutterstock and get cash. Imagine you have found a nice plant, a nice animal, take a pic of it, upload it on Shutterstock and start getting your cash. Now guys, the second website is Upwork. Many people fear to register on Upwork because they think that it's for professional and educated people, which is not right. Anyone, anywhere without experience, you can register on Upwork and make money online with it, because there are many jobs that doesn't require skills and experience. So guys, anyone, anywhere can register and make money on Upwork. Doesn't matter if you're a stay-at-home mom, employed person, or a student. Anyone, anywhere can make money with Upwork because there are many jobs that doesn't require skills or experience. So guys, you can register and make money on Upwork, though it will take you time to land your first job, but once you get it, it will be the beginning of your happiness. The third one, guys, is YouTube. YouTube pays when you do it the right way. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, then you start getting paid from YouTube. So guys, you can create a YouTube channel today if you want to make money online with YouTube. Those are the websites for today. Next time I'll come up with more websites and other easy ways of making money online without investments. Remember, on this channel we share legit ways of making money online. We share cheap business ideas in Uganda and other countries. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video I publish. Guys, make sure you turn on that notification bell so that anytime I publish you get a notification and be the first one to watch. See you in the next video, guys.